In this video, I'll show you how to create a template from a scene in Descript Storyboard. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Let's assume you've got this scene and let's say this scene number 6 right about here. If we play it slightly,
you can write articles.
That's what it looks like. It is just some stock footage. So let's assume for this particular scene we want to add captions. So it's right there. But what we need to do as well, we need to maybe give this maybe a white color. We also don't want a background. We also want to reduce the size of that particular text to maybe something like 80, somewhere about there. And then we've got some live words here. That looks good. And let's see if we actually play this.
You can write
so let's see the live text. You can actually make some. Okay, let's go for karaoke. That looks good, and we can play this.
You can write articles super fast.
So that's the captions or fancy captions. And then let's say we want to add maybe something like a progress bar. Click on this, just pull it up whatever you want it to be, stretch it to the end, and then we can maybe change the color slightly to maybe something like that. So that is looking good. So
you can write articles super fast using.
If you like to create a template from this particular scene, super easy. Now that we have our captions here and our progress bar here, you can actually scene number 6, and you can see it's highlighted here on the scene reel, and you can also see it right here. All you need to do is just right click and then click on save to template. And once you do that, you can create a new template. So that's what we're going to do, or actually select templates to add these particular items to. So click on create new template, adding scene to template, and this is going to come in handy when you create your own assets and want to reuse them over and over again. It's going to save you a ton of time. So we can title it something here. Let's call it maybe reusable. That's okay. And then if you're satisfied with everything, just click on publish template, and then you can title the scene for, let's say, social, and then click on publish template. But you can also make them private, shared with Drive if you have editors, and then share publicly. Let's publish template. So it's almost there. Template published. And now, okay, sorry, cancel. Let's just cancel. I believe everything is done. We can click on this and then click on this. That's fine. So what happens is that if you like to kind of reuse the scene or that particular template, you can go to maybe a scene. Let's say we go to this particular scene, and then you go to the templates, and from the templates we've got this one that we saved called reusable, and then for social it's right here. So what you can do from this section is that you can just drag it to where you want it to be, add to scene, it's applying template, and now you can see what we created in when we wanted to create our template, the progress bar and the subtitles or the captions. Simply put, that is how you can create and save a template from a scene in Descript Storyboard. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.